Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tiara Army. I am from PBIA with ID number 2402113013. Looking at the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement. The study investigated the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesian. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through a parent's educational background questionnaire and an English test. Descriptive statistics, person, product moment correlation, and regression analysis were employed to analyze the data. The result of the person product moment correlation coefficient reported that parents' educational background significantly correlated with the student English achievement. Additionally, the result of the linear regression analysis indicated that there was a correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement, although the contribution was small and there were other factors that contributed to the student academic achievement. Parents' educational backgrounds important in supporting their children's English achievement. Introduction. Education is essential for the development of societies. The more educated the people of a society are, the more civilized and well-disciplined the society might be. Education is also a primary need in this era of globalization. Haryanto, Mukminin, Murboyono, Muazzah, and Ekatina. 201C. Mukminin, Rohayati, Putra Habibi, and Aina. 201-7. Education gives insight, grooms the personality, inculcates moral value, adds knowledge, and provides skill for people who will live in a very competitive society. In every field, highly qualified people are needed. Mukminin, Haryanto, Makmur, Failasofa, Fajaryani, Tabrahan, and Suyadi. 2013. Mukmini. 2012. However, there are several studies focusing on the problems of education in Indonesia, including Mukminin, Lestari, Afifah, Rahmadani, and Hendra. 2017, and Musyadat. 2013, who argue that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget quality, purpose of the education, national examination, and learning facility. The skins of problems have influenced the qualitative education within nation and international levels. For example, also science. 1995. Indonesia has taken part constantly in every round of trends in international mathematics and science study. The results have not been satisfactory. Luce 2017. Of the 38 countries participating in 1999, Indonesia ranked the 34 and the 32 in math and science, respectively. In 2003, performance in math increases to 411, while the science score slipped 2420. The reverse on course in 2007, with main performance discredited to 397 and science improved to 427. Scoring both math and science filling 2011, 2386 and 406 respectively in 2015. Math performance increased to 397, while science performance decreased to 397. The result, Indonesian participants in TIMSS have implied that the quality of education school become the responsibility of parties including governments, school, and family. Families, one of the important factors supporting the education of their children. As a unit of society, the family is obviously a major socializing agent, so that it's important in determining the child motivation to achieve success. Mualah 2010. Mainly, family has responsibility for socializing children for making them productive member of society. The more the parents are involved in the process of imparting education to their children, the more the children might excel in their academics career and to become productive and responsible members society. Arif 2017, Rafiq, Fatima, Sohail, Salem, and Khan 2013. Significant effect on their children's education. It means that parent educational background plays an important part in their children's education. The education received by the children depends very much on the education that their parents have. Arif 2017, Grades Nation School and Kurzschei 2006. In relation to education, English is one of the compulsory subjects in Indonesian educational system. The internal and external factor, for example, tend to influence the learned English achievement. Yang Hobby and Rasouli 2015. Furthermore, data from Education First English Proficiency Index also show that the average score of Indonesian English proficiency was 5.74 and labeled moderate proficiency level. This score has placed Indonesian in the 28th rank out of 63 countries terms of index that compress the average English language ability in different countries. The data indicate that English proficiency Indonesian is still lower than the other countries. However, learning English is not an easy process. There are some problems or difficult in learning English. In their study, Abrar, Mukminin, Habibi, Ashrafi, Makmur, and Marzulina 2018, and Mukminin, Muazza, Hustarna, and Sari 2015 found that the problems in learning, such as teachers' competence, student lack of unmotivated, encouraged, and gain learning strategy. Not parties speaking English with English native speaker and class environment. Some research have previously explored parents' educational background and student English achievement. For example, Apriana 2015 found that parents' educational background was significantly correlated to student English achievement, so the correlation was weak. Also, Carnegie 2010 found that there was a strong correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Such as Scannable, Alford, Eccles, Kohler, and Baumert 2002 found that a significant positive correlation existed between parents' education and student achievement. It can be concluded that the results of those studies are still inconsistent. Additionally, ARIP 2017 found that there was no significant relationship between parents' occupation and educational background and student achievement in learning English. The findings of the previous studies on the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement are still mixed. The current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Two research questions quoted this study. 1. Is there any link between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia? And 2. Does parent educational background influence student English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang? Literature review. Parent educational background refers to parent highest education. That means the highest level of education attained by parents. International Standard Classifications of Education from UNESCO 2011 has grouped 9 levels of education. They are early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary, non-tertiary education, short cycle, tertiary education, bachelor's or equivalence level, master or equivalence level, doctoral or equivalence level. Parents with higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their ability to help their children learn. CELPAM 2013. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with this cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. CELPAM 2013 also adds the relationship of parent education to their children's achievement. Motivation in academic areas mediated by parents' beliefs and behaviors are likely to be influenced by their educational experiences and how these parental beliefs and behaviors actually influence children's achievement, motivation, and academic area. Additionally, family characteristics such as parental income, education, and family size seem to contribute to student achievement. Lepin 1994, Hanusek 2007. In terms of student achievement, Algarabel and Dasi 2001 state that achievement is the competence of a person in relation to a domain of knowledge. Additionally, Sukmadinata 2007 state that achievement of students could be seen from mastering the subject that they have taken up. Achievement refers to get good result of learning. In addition, English achievement has a strong relation with the academic achievement. English achievement means the competency that is achieved by the student in English subject. Being well-educated parents give benefit for their children. Intos 2008 state that parents could serve as good role models by being conscientious, ambitious, and methodical, all of which will contribute to make their children more successful at school. Moreover, educated parents can provide their children with guidance to get good information at home. Guntala Mehta Gokhale and Barhanun 2012 found that educated parents had more attention to the facility used by their children related to their study, especially in learning English. Students from good socio-economical and high parental educational background have good chance for getting admission in good professional courses. Parental educational level also determines the facilities and the culture level of the home. Udo and Sunny 2012 claim that educated parents often get a better job. Thus, with their income, they are better prepared to give educational materials of their children. In other words, this suggests that students manage to support their learning with good educational material because they have parents who can provide them with educational supporting materials that they need, including in learning English. Methodology, research design, and participant. In this study, we use a correlation approach to find out the link between parents' educational backgrounds and student English achievement. The first producer was we identified the parent educational backgrounds by using educational backgrounds questionnaire, and the second producer was we gave the student test of TOEFL. The next step was we analyzed the link between the two variables to base one the result of the educational background questionnaire and TOEFL test. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through a parent's educational background questionnaire and English test. Data collection and analysis. In this study, we use questionnaire and test as the instruments to gather the data concerning the link between parents' educational backgrounds and student English achievement of the 12th grade student at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia, to obtain the information about parents' educational background. We used the questionnaire from UNESCO 2011, which is adapted by Apriana 2015. The questionnaire consisted of parent educational background which is related to parents' highest education. The questionnaire asks about the level education of father and mother of the student. In scoring parents' education background, the student ticked one of their parents' educational background level, including early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary, non-tertiary education, surgical, tertiary education, bachelor or equivalent level, master or equivalence level, and doctoral or equivalence level. The score was from 0 until 8. The high level education is the highest score. A higher score indicates a higher degrees of educational background level. To obtain the student's English achievement, we use TOEFL Junior Test. The purpose of the TOEFL Junior Test is to provide an objective measure of the degree to which students in the target population have attained proficiency, the academic and social English language skill. The designer of the TOEFL Junior Standard Test assert the TOEFL Junior Standard, the SIS and English proficiency test that is not based on or limited to any specific curriculum. There are section listening, structure, and reading. Each section contains four choice question with a total testing time of 1 and reading. Each section contains 4 choice question with a total testing time of 1 hour 50 minutes. TOEFL Junior Test score are determined by the number of questions that a student was answer correctly. There is no penalty for wrong answer. The category of the result. The test is grouped into very good, average, poor, and very poor. In terms correlation and regression, it was necessary to know whether that data were normal for each variable and linear between two variables. In the study, normality test was used to find out whether the data of educational background questionnaire and TOEFL Junior Test were normal or not. We use a simple Kolmogorov, Smirnov, and SPSS. If p-value is higher than 0.5, then it was normal and vice versa. In this study, linearity test was conducted to know whether the data of educational background questionnaire and TOEFL Junior Test were linear or not. If the score was higher than 0.05, the two variables were linear. Linearity testing was used to see if the data were linear or not. After getting the result, linearity testing, educational background questionnaire, and TOEFL Junior Test of student. We use person, product, moment, correlation, coefficient to find out whether or not there was a correlation between the variables. The interpretation of coefficients correlation was to find whenever person is higher than regression analysis was used to find out whether or not parents' educational background influenced student English achievement. We identified the inclusion of variables by using the result of a score's simple regression analysis was used to measure two variables, the score of parents' educational backgrounds as independent variable and student English achievement as dependent variable were calculated by SPSS. Findings and this question: parent educational background and student English achievement. 108 students participated in this study. The descriptive statistical analysis of parent educational background for the participant indicated that the maximum score was 8 and the lowest score was 1. The mean score of parent educational background for the participant was 505 and the standard deviation was 1588. This mean score indicated that the level of parents' educational background of participant is the score cycle tertiary education D2, D3. It was reported that from the questionnaire, the 9 levels of parents' educational background were all participated by the student with different numbers. Primary education SD was as the least participant levels and bachelor's equipment level was as the most participate for both father and mother educational background categories. The descriptive statistical analysis of English achievement for the participant indicated that the maximum score was 79 and the minimum score was 10. The mean score of English achievement for the participant was 47.02 and the star deviation was 17.739. This mean score indicated that the level of student English achievement of participant is very poor. For each category, 13 students has good English achievement, 19 students over time of average English achievement, 5 students had a poor English achievement, 71 students had a very poor English achievement. The result of a normality test and linearity test. The data were interpreted as a normal one if means the data were not normal. Kolmogorov-Smirnov was used to see the normality. The result normality test indicated that the data from each variable were all normal and appropriate for data analysis with coefficients 290 for parent educational backgrounds and 605 for English achievement. For linearity test deviation of linearity was obtained if probability is more than 0.5. The two variables are linear. The results show that the deviation from linearity between parents' educational background and student English achievement was 76.9. Correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Based on the person-product moment correlation coefficients, the result indicated that the parents of correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement was positive. The correlation coefficient order are obtained for 42 O was higher than table 117C, then the level of probability P. Significance SIG2 tile was 000. It means that P double O was lower than 0.5. Thus, there was a significant correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. The details are following. Influence of parents' educational backgrounds, student English achievement. The result included the parents' educational background influences student English achievement significant with the value 4763 was higher than table 1982, with SIG value double O was lower than probability 0.5. Therefore, there was a significant influence between parents' educational background towards student English achievement. The details are following. In addition to know the percentage of parent educational background influences on the student English achievement, R score was obtained. The result, the analysis reported that the R score R2 was 17. Say it means that parent educational backgrounds lead a significant effect in the level of 17.6% towards student English achievement, and 82.4% was an unipex line. Factor value, the details are following. Based 1, the result person product moment correlation, it was found that there was a positive and a significant correlation between parents' educational backgrounds and the student English achievement of the 12th grade student are 42.0. This means that parent educational background had a relation to student English achievement. The level or correlation between parent educational backgrounds and student English achievement was fair. Parents with a higher level of education can stimulate their children in a good learning environment. They can transfer what they have in their children's cognitive development, for example, by having more discussion about the lesson using richest vocabulary in the interaction of parent and children, and reading more books with the children. The results in agreement with grades 20 C. Argument that parent educational backgrounds is a relationship with student English achievement. Furthermore, the more educated the parents are, the more they are able to pass along the education and help their children excel in school. Parents with little or no education may find it very difficult to understand or help their children in the area of education. For example, Selpam 20 and 2013 states that parents with a higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their ability to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have a greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. Also, Guntlah, Mehta, Gokhale, and Berhanun 2012 argue that educated parents have more attention to the facility used by their children relative to their study. Moreover, Carnegie 2010 argues that parents who have a high educational backgrounds and a good English competence generally prepare their children to face globalization with good English preparation. They will have learning English by doing many ways, such as providing their children with facilities or paying private tutor. Furthermore, the result, this present study is also in agreement with the findings of Apriana 2015 study, who found that parents' educational background was correlated to student English achievement, even though the correlation was not strong. In addition, Ardila, Roseli, Matute, dan Guarjardo 2005 indicated that there was a significant correlation between the parents' educational level and the student test performance. Conclusion: the current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational backgrounds and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result, the present study, we found that parents' educational backgrounds were significantly correlated with student English achievement with R42O. The category of correlation was fair. Additionally, the linear regression analysis showed that parents' educational backgrounds 76% significantly influenced the deployment variable student English achievement. In short, the total contribution of parents' educational background and student English achievement saw a significant link, although the contribution was small, suggesting that there were other factors that could contribute to their student English achievement, such as schools, teacher, friends, and environment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.